Toyota has built its reputation over the years on a steadfast dedication to reliability that is so ingrained in its engineering and business practices that it is almost synonymous with the brand itself. While the automaker's roots are in dependability, its focus has shifted to performance. Toyota has produced practical economy vehicles for many years, making them ideal for people whose main priority is a safe commute from point A to point B. Even the Prius, the hybrid car for the environmentally conscious driver, was a result of it. But let's think about what Toyota has accomplished recently. Le Mans victories and World Rally Championship victories are powerful testaments to their dynamic development. Although winning these contests requires speed, reliability still stands out. If so, what is the reason for this success? The power of a deeply ingrained philosophy is demonstrated by Toyota's success, which is greater than the sum of its parts. Toyota is fundamentally a harmonious fusion of traditional craftsmanship and cutting-edge innovation, combining both ancient Japanese principles and modern engineering techniques. Jidoka, where automation meets human intuition, and Kaizen, the unrelenting pursuit of continuous improvement, have played a crucial role in defining Toyota's legendary reputation for dependability that the brand has developed over many years. Because of this, it's common to see a number of Japanese-made models that can last you hundreds of thousands of miles, with some cars even reaching more than 1 million. The automotive behemoth has been able to create durable vehicles with a long lifespan thanks to this solid foundation. Let's explore the essence of Toyota vehicles' exceptional dependability. The Toyota Production System (TPS) is built around the idea of Jidoka, a philosophy that combines automation with in-depth human comprehension and control. Take note of how Jidoka influenced the Toyota production line. To ensure the best possible design and functionality, human engineering is applied to every new component. Only when the component reaches the pinnacle of its design and operation is gradual automation introduced. The engineer's involvement will gradually decrease, resulting in the complete automation of that part on the assembly line. Toyota's slower, human-led manufacturing processes, in contrast to conventional manufacturing processes, ensure functionality, fit, and complete understanding of every component. Each design process, component, and element starts with meticulous human craftsmanship. Imagine Toyota engineers painstakingly hand-sculpting and fine-tuning each component to perfection. This philosophy also explains why Toyota's parts are the same across various models. They restrict the customization options by using the same simple, high-quality parts across a variety of models. This method lessens the need for replacement parts and the associated risks of shortcomings. For instance, the simple yet dependable 2GRF EV6 engine is available in a wide range of models, from the affordable Avalon and Camry to the luxurious Lexus RX 350 and even the Corolla Super GT race car. Even though this approach might not seem glamorous, it forms the basis of Toyota's renowned dependability and is present in all of its models. The adoption of Jidoka by other businesses as a result of its successful application has strengthened Toyota's position as the industry leader. Toyota's success is also a result of its adherence to Kaizen, a Japanese philosophy that means change for the better or continuous improvement. This idea permeates not only the company's boardrooms but also its shop floor operations. In contrast to businesses focused on speed and volume, Toyota values quality over quick completion. Finishing early means sacrificing opportunities for improvement. Concerns and suggestions for improvements are welcomed by Toyota employees. Unlike conventional manufacturing paradigms, Toyota gives its employees the authority to halt operations and address any problems or potential improvements. A culture of proactive problem-solving is fostered by this ethos. The measure twice, cut once adage is not enough for the Kaizen philosophy, which encourages multiple checks to ensure accuracy. Toyota has always distinguished itself from its rivals by emphasizing utility over high performance. The vehicles promise long-term cost effectiveness and fuel efficiency because they are built to last. Toyota prefers to make gradual improvements to its already excellent engineering over making radical changes. The resilient 22RE engine is a prime example of the company's dedication to durability. This engine, which was produced from 1981 until 1995 with only minor modifications, is renowned for its toughness. It's remarkable that this vehicle can run for several 100,000 miles without experiencing any major problems. This 2.4-litre four-cylinder engine was tough and was used in vehicles like the 4Runner, Hilux Surf, and Stella GTS. The 22RE had a maximum rev limit of 5,700 RPM, unlike most engines. This low limit may seem restrictive, but it significantly lessens the engine's stress, extending its lifespan. Not just their four-cylinder engines adhere to the practicality over performance tenet. The 2UZ FE8 engine is a powerful yet dependable option for the fourth generation 4Runner. Despite not being particularly impressive, the maximum output of 330 pound-feet of torque and 270 horsepower is more than sufficient for negotiating difficult terrain. The Land Cruiser, Lexus GX 470, Tundra, and Sequoia are just a few of the models that use this adaptable engine, proving Toyota's confidence in its dependable engineering. Toyota has not only attracted incredibly devoted customers thanks to its unwavering commitment to practicality. However, it has also made the business a leader in the field, able to produce dependable cars without sacrificing their power. In 2014, Toyota made a bold statement that caused a stir in Detroit. No more boring cars. At first, it appeared that this might only mean a cosmetic upgrade. Toyota, however, had a much more expansive vision. The GR Yaris, a hot hatch born from a blank canvas and a bold vision, is one example of this new direction. The GR Yaris represents a performance-first philosophy, contrary to Toyota's usual emphasis on practicality. This vehicle has the highest specific output of any Toyota, with a 1.6-litre engine producing a combined 268 horsepower at a specific output of 167.5 horsepower. The engine is not only strong, it's brand new, demonstrating Toyota's willingness to go against tradition. The all-wheel drive system is also brand new, enhancing the driving experience with innovative handling and control. But all of these are appetizers compared to our next news. Toyota made a groundbreaking announcement earlier this year. They intended to extend the principles of Jidoka and Kaizen beyond automobiles to build an entire city. This futuristic vision, known as the Woven City, will be tucked beneath Mount Fuji. Imagine a city that is entirely run by cutting-edge technology and acts as the ultimate futuristic proving ground. The goal of the project is as follows. Infrastructure redefining. Is hydrogen used in fuel cells really the renewable resource of the future? This will be tested by the city. Moving forward, the city offers a unique chance to optimize autonomous vehicles in real-world scenarios, potentially paving the way for safer roads. Overreaching or smart living. There is a fine line between convenience and surveillance in AI-driven homes. How does the balance impact day-to-day life? Many questions remain. Can the Jidoka and Kaizen principles, which are so successful in car production, be applied to creating a satisfying, effective life in a city environment? This endeavor has promise if the toughness and dependability of Toyota vehicles are any indication. While autonomous vehicles and hydrogen fuel cells may not be the most eye-catching technological developments, Toyota's ambition shows they aren't content to settle for the ordinary. It's amazing to think that this small hatchback has been built using Jidoka and Kaizen principles. With this change, Toyota fans can expect a compelling fusion of dependability and performance, ushering in a new, exciting, and hopeful era. Do you look forward to Toyota's future developments? Let us know your thoughts in the comment box below. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.